Ever face this dilemma? If you're a woman, you might have. But guess what? You're not alone. Studies show that around 26% of women avoid using public or common washrooms. But why? Why does a woman hesitate so much before using a shared washroom? Well, the answer lies in one serious yet often ignored condition, UTI, urinary tract infection. But if you think public toilets are the main cause, you're wrong. It's actually your office washroom. Because tell me, how many times do you even use a public toilet? 2 or 3 times a week when you go out? But how many times do you use your office toilet? 2 to 3 times a day minimum. Because that's where you spend most of your time after home. How many offices ensure women have separate, clean toilets? How many of you feel comfortable bringing this up to your boss? If you're dealing with a UTI, are you comfortable telling your team or even your closest female colleagues? And more importantly, how many of us even know what a UTI really is? Let's talk about it. Let's break this silence, this life-threatening struggle, one that could someday kill you. Around 6 out of 10 women will experience a urinary tract infection at some point in their lives. And for 1 in 5 women, it keeps coming back. Imagine dealing with this discomfort because how will I tell anyone? Will they take me seriously? Will this even matter? Now before that, if you've ever heard that only sexually active women get UTI, that's completely false information. While intimacy can be a factor, UTI can happen to anyone, sexually active or not. Poor hygiene, holding in urine for too long, and unclean office restrooms are some of the biggest villains in this story. Now let's be real. While using the office washroom, have you ever hovered over your toilet seat, wiped it down a dozen of times before sitting, or carried sanitizing sprays in your bag? We do all this because we know that most office restrooms are not clean. Imagine telling a male colleague, "Hey, I need to use the restroom, but you have not flushed it." Sounds uncomfortable, right? Because UTIs nearly kill 2,000 women every month. They're more common than you think. A 24-year-old was just lying on her sofa when she suddenly felt her body burning up, her heart racing. Things got worse when she went to the toilet. Her pain was so intense, she thought she was going to die. Terrified and helpless, she rushed to the hospital, where the doctors revealed the shocking truth. Her UTI had spread to the kidneys, the bloodstream, causing sepsis. Rashi had narrowly escaped death, but her body was left weak and struggling to recover for months. UTI, or urinary tract infection, is an infection that turns something as simple as peeing into a painful, uncomfortable, and way more frequent act than usual. It occurs when bacteria enter the urinary tract, your bladder, kidneys, and the tubes that carry urine. In offices, multiple people use the same toilet throughout the day. Wet seats, unflushed toilets, unhygienic surfaces, the perfect setup for bacteria to thrive and multiply. Sitting on a contaminated toilet seat can transfer bacteria to your skin. If that bacteria reaches your urinary tract through wiping, touching, or poor hygiene, it can lead to a UTI. And mind you, a UTI isn't just a minor inconvenience. UTI can be just as dangerous as pneumonia if left untreated. While pneumonia affects your lungs, a UTI can spread to your kidneys or bloodstream, causing serious complications, pain while peeing, high fever, chills, tissue damage, kidney failure, or in some cases, even death. And yet we hesitate to talk about it. Why? Because we've been conditioned to stay silent about anything related to female health. Periods? Deal with it. Pregnancy symptoms? Don't mention it at work. UTIs? Not important enough to discuss. This needs to change. But what's the solution? Awareness. That simple yet powerful word. The more we talk about UTIs, the more we break the silence that keeps people suffering. But awareness alone isn't enough. We need to be vocal too. If you notice unclean washrooms at your workplace, speak up. Workplaces must recognize that hygiene policies aren't just about convenience, they're also about health. Also, separate washrooms for men and women should be mandatory. In fact, in India, they already are. According to the Factories Act 1948, separate toilets and washroom facilities for males and female workers are a legal requirement. Yet many offices still don't follow this. If companies can invest in fancy chairs, coffee machines, and high-tech meeting rooms, why not proper restroom facilities? The purpose of this video is simple: to spread awareness. Access to clean restrooms isn't just a privilege, it's a basic right. It's time to push for change. Because at the end of the day, no one should suffer in silence. Thank you for watching.